Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. We talk about cloud and this one, cloud CompTI Cloud Plus. Getting ready for cloud technologies. Okay, this one. Getting ready for cloud technologies introduction. Welcome to the Getting Ready for Cloud Technologies Practice Lab. In this module, we will be provided with the instruction and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. The purpose of this lab is to give hands-on experience on how to assess a virtual machine infrastructure to ensure the virtual machine can be moved to a cloud platform, for example, Azure. For example, a leap in a ship where all the virtual machine will be moved from all premises infrastructure to the cloud. Learning outcomes. In this module, we will complete the following exercises. Exercise 1, installing Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit, assessing current virtual infrastructure for cloud readiness, interpreting results from the cloud readiness assessment in Excel format. After completing this lab, you will be able to install Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. Determine which virtual machine can be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine by using Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. Interpret results from the data collected to get a better understanding of which type of virtual machine will be needed to the cloud platform. Interpret results from the data collected to assess which machine are ready to be migrated to Microsoft Azure virtual machine. Okay, next. Okay, lab topology. We have uh, lab topology during this session. This one is PLAB DC01, the controller, domain controller, PLAB DM01, domain member server, PLAB DM02, domain member server, PLAB BSA01, standalone server, Windows 8.1 workstation, PLAB Win 810, PLAB Win 701, Windows 7 workstation. Okay. Exercise installing Microsoft Assessment Planning Toolkit. The Microsoft Assessment Planning Toolkit is used to assess the current IT infrastructure. This tool is used to plan for server and desktop to cloud migration. In this exercise, you will install the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit and that will be needed to assess infrastructure for cloud readiness. Install the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. Okay, we will be using the following devices in this lab. Power this on, this one on. Okay. Okay. Task 1. Download the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. The Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit provides a detailed analysis of the infrastructure to ensure a smooth transition to the cloud infrastructure. The results of the analysis are generated in an easily understandable Excel document. In this task, you will install the toolkit, analyze an infrastructure for cloud readiness by viewing and analyzing generate report. Connect to PLAB Win 810. This one. Okay, we're already connected. Okay. On the taskbar, click the Internet Explorer. Scroll down. We click the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer, open a new tab and browse to the following website. Download Microsoft Assessment. Okay, try to copy. and then enter. Okay. Hmm. You use optional cookies to improve and try to accept. Okay. And then new surface Pro 6 stop. Now press enter. And then step 4. Scroll down the web page under the Microsoft. Oh, where is it? Ah, this one. Okay, download. Click the download. Then step 5. Select the check. Select the checkbox for map setup.exe. This one. And click next. Yeah, this one. Okay. Number step 6. On the pop-up, click allow once. This one. And then step 7. Click save so that the file can be downloaded. Okay. Click save. Step 8. After the file is downloaded, this will take only a few couple of seconds. Click run. Okay. The Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit wizard will open. And set this. We click next. This one. Next. Accept the terms and the license agreement. Then click next. This one. Check it. Then next. Okay. Leave the default installation location shown under installation folder. Then click next. Click install to start the installation and wait for the installation to complete. Oh, good. Okay. Click the install and wait for a moment. Click install to start the installation and wait for installation to complete. I'll wait for a moment. And then we proceed to step 13. Just waiting for a second. Excuse me. Okay, after the installation has completed, click on finish to exit out of the wizard. But that's not already done. We will. Yeah. Okay, we click finish. Then step 14, click on start in the bottom left hand corner in the tab and following. And screenshot, finish, click on start In the bottom left hand corner of the following, this one, and then type the access, sorry, okay, this one, assessment planning toolkit, and then enter. Okay, charan, assessment and planning toolkit was open. Screenshot, okay, let me screenshot it. Okay, screenshot, the next, learning outcomes. Install the Microsoft, this one divided, I'm sorry, wrong, click, this one, and screenshot, I already did, here. Keep all devices that you have powered on in their current state and proceed to the next exercise. So, tama pala ako kanina. Exercise 2. Assessing current virtual infrastructure for cloud readiness. When a company decides to migrate their current infrastructure to the cloud, the infrastructure needs to be assessed to ensure the current server are cloud ready. In this exercise, you will utilize the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit to analyze the current infrastructure for cloud readiness. The assessment toolkit was downloaded and installed in exercise 1. After completing this exercise, we will be able to determine which virtual machine can be migrated to Microsoft Azure virtual machine by using the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit, interpret result from the data collected to get a better understanding of which types of virtual machine will be needed in a cloud platform. We'll be using the following devices in this lab. I already powered it on. The PLAB DC01 domain control, the PLAB DM01 domain member server, domain member server M02, MLAB SA01 standalone server, PLAB Win 810 Windows 8.1 workstation, and last is PLAB Win 701 Windows 7 workstation. Task 1. Using the Performance Metrics Wizard. The performance metrics wizards used to collect the current infrastructure resource utilization to assess if the server will be compatible with being migrated to a cloud infrastructure. In this task, you will assess the servers and the virtual infrastructure to ensure the servers can be migrated to a cloud infrastructure. Ensure you are still connected to PLAV Win 10. Can you check? Yes, I already. From exercise 1, complete the following information. Okay, name. Try to copy na lang. Mas madali. Paste. and then description, then click OK. As said here, click OK, and in the in the left pane, select cloud. Where is it? Where is it? This one. I have ready. And then cloud in the left pane, this one, cloud. Select cloud. To complete main click inventory data. Okay, this one, cloud. And collect inventory data, the number one. Next is step 4. Under choose your scenario, check Windows computers and the inventory and assessment wizard. Okay, check. And then check Windows computers and the inventory and assessment wizard under choose your scenario. You will be taken to the discovery methods window. Deselect use active uh, deselect use active directory services. Check it. Mhm. Okay. Use active directory services. Active and scan IP. Ending. Am I right? No, I'm not. Wait. Wait and see. Ayun, this one. Okay. Discover methods window. Deselect use. Deselect. And then select scan IP address is one. And then next. And then next. Okay. We input the starting address, which is this 192.168.0.01. Copy, paste it, and the ending address is this 192.168.0.4. Okay, after putting it, then oh, click next. Really? Right. I got the wrong move. And then enter the starting and ending address and scan an IP address range window. And all computers credential window, click on create. Okay, where is create here? What happened? Again create account name. Copy this one. Password. Okay. Then after completing this information, click save and then next. Save. Okay. Oh, error. Oh, step in order to remedy the issue. God. Okay, we reconnect it. There's a problem about connection. Okay. Proceeding, proceeding, proceeding. Credential orders. Password, giving the password. In the credential of Windows, click next. Oh my goodness. Windows next. Okay, next. Save. Save and then wait. Window, click next. Step 9, the summary windows, click finish. Yes, summary window. Okay, this one. Click finish after completing the inventory. Click finish. And then Data collection of the infrastructure will start. This will approximately two minutes to complete. Notice the notification show us not started. Okay. 004, the same. Data collection infrastructure has started. After the assessment has finished, the notification now show as completed. Click the details drop down. Okay, we wait. Okay. Okay, it shows the five machines inventory collection completed. We'll proceed to next step. There were five machines that were inventoried after assessment was completed. Displaying data was collected by the inventory. To close the inventory assessment wizard, click close. Click close. And then in the cloud window, click on collect performance data. Mhm. This one. Click performance data. Okay. The performance matrix. In the collection configuration window, ensure that only Windows-based machine is selected. In the end time, ensure that the time is selected 30 minutes from your current time and then click next. Okay, wait lang. Check. So 8:11:35 in the end time using calculator. In the end time, ensure that the time is selected. So 8, 7, wait lang. 7:20. Aba, the performance metric wizard does not have to run the full 30 minutes. Please refer to step 20 in the task. Hmm. Eto. This device is set to London time. You will need to set it to 30 minutes from London time now. Ha! London time? 30 minutes from your current time and then click next. The performance matrix. This collection will begin once the wizard completes the performance metric collection must run for at least 30 minutes to enable scenarios that depend on the data. Select the date and time on which end in performance metric collection. Screenshot the PLAB Win 810, specifying which platform to collect performance metrics from. The time for the performance metric important. This device is set to London time. You will need to set it to 30 minutes from London time. Yeah, I will research first London time. London time. Right. In London time right now is 7:14 a.m. It means 40, 60, 45, 30, 45, 50, 55, 60, 45, 41, 41, and then next. Wrong move ako dun ah. Teka. Yun. Specifying the choose that computers from a list on the next step on the wizard is selected. In the computer list windows, select the checkbox next computer name. Mhm. Select all the computers listed. Click next. Choose a computer list wizard. Okay. Computer list. This one. And checkbox computer name. This one. Select all the computer listed, then click next. Mhm. And this one next. And then in the credential order window leave as default and then click next. This one. Ah, or credential orders window leave as default and then click next. Okay. Leave credential order window as default. Okay. Step 9. In the summary window, review the credential that will be used to collect the information in the infrastructure and then click finish. And this one, finish. Step 20. Performance metrics of the core virtual machine will be collected. Let the performance metrics run for at least 10 minutes and then click cancel. It will collect the data in an Excel document. It's very long. 10 minutes of waiting. Metrics will be virtual machines are being collected. And step 21, click yes on the Microsoft assessment and planning toolkit pop-up window to return to the Microsoft assessment and planning application. We just wait for this to stop to run. Summary. Step 20. Set the performance metrics from at least 10 minutes and then click cancel. Okay, we wait for the 10 minutes. But for now, I will drink water. I'm thirsty. Hmm. It's run pa rin, nagra-run pa rin siya. Tayo lang natin siya matapos. At least 10 minutes. I will back after 10 minutes. Okay, let's get ready. So, ready na to. Natin oras. 34. Sabi kasi dito, yan. Saan na ba tayo? Ito. Are being collected. Dito tayo sa Windows, version reviews, information, performance metrics dito. Yan. Run for at least 10 minutes and then click cancel if included data. Sell. So, dito na tayo. Cancel na natin. Kanina pa to. Ay, ay hindi pala. Paano ba? Ayun. Click yes. Microsoft Planning pop-up window. Yun ang Microsoft Planning application. Okay. Lalabas talaga pala siya. Ayun. So, tama lang. Cancel. And then, click yes. Sabi dito. Yes. Ayan. Tapos, in Azure VM Readiness window, select Refreshment Assessment. Basta yun. Oh. And then, yan. Windows select refreshment. And then, yes. And step for after assessment. Process is completed. Okay. Then, click close. Step 25 in the cloud window, click Azure VM Readiness. Saan na yun? Azure VM Readiness. On the cloud window, click on Azure. Where is it? Azure, where are the Azure? Saan dito? Okay. This one. Ayun. Has been clicked on. In the Microsoft Azure VM Readiness window, scroll to the right and click on the Generate Microsoft. Oh. Wait. Cloud. Scroll to the right. Oh. Scroll to the right. To download the information to plus lagay ang Excel document. Ayun. Take the screenshot. Okay, screenshot tayo. Okay. Yeah, Excel document will be generated of virtual. Deselect the option to open the first folder. Uh, After close and then click close. Ah, this one. Deselect the option before the top and then close. Minimize the Microsoft and planning toolkit. Okay, wait lang. Minimize. Proceed to the next. Yun. Exercise 3. Interpreting result from the cloud. Readiness assessment in Excel format. After the assessment, after impression has been completed, the results need to be analyzed that was collected in the Excel document. The Excel contains different fields that can be reviewed. These are the sections that can be viewed after the completion of the cloud readiness assessment. Summary. In this tab, provide a summary of the Microsoft and Linux machine that were assessed to be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine, Windows machine. This tab provides detailed information on the Microsoft Windows Server machines that were evaluated to be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine. Linux machine. This tab provides detailed information on the Linux machine that were evaluated to be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine. In this exercise, we will analyze data of the current infrastructure that was collected in exercise 2. Learning outcomes. Interpret results from the data collected to assess which machines are ready to be migrated to Microsoft Azure virtual machines. We will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on. Already powered it. And then task 1. Interpreting. First we close this one. Task 1. Interpreting result from the Cloud Readiness Assessment in Excel format. Result for cloud readiness is presented in an Excel document. This document can be analyzed, verified if the current infrastructure is ready to migrate to a cloud infrastructure. In this task, you will download an Excel viewer, open the generated Excel document from the previous exercise, and analyze information that was collected by the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit. Okay, already connect to WLAB Win 810. And then step 2, to interpret the result that were collected in exercise 2, an Excel viewer needs to be uploaded. Click on Internet Explorer icon. Okay, this one. As you can see, you are now on the internet. Yes, we wait. We wait again. Okay. Oh, installation files. Where is the installation files? Scroll down the bottom and select installer. Okay, wait. Hmm. Mali. Diba? Close na natin to. Yun. And then, ano ba ako? Wala na ako. This from installation files. And then, hanapin natin si browse to the internet page. Scroll down Microsoft Office Excel. Hanapin natin sa Microsoft Office Excel. Ngayon, select. And then, after we select the installer, then click run. Run. When prompted. And then, yun, nag-run na siya. Click next on the Excel viewer setup. Accept the condition. Then next. Then click install, step 7. Okay. After that, wait for the application to be installed, then click OK, setup was completed. Okay. Then open File Explorer and browse to the following location. Ito. File Explorer. This PC document map. Wait. PC documents map PL virtual assessment. Oh, and then double click the Excel document that was generated. This one. Okay. The summary. This report provides a summary of the Microsoft Windows Server and Linux machine that were evaluated to be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine. And this one naman, this report provides detailed information on Microsoft Windows Server machines that were evaluated to be migrated on a Microsoft virtual machine and has no report in Linux machine. Okay. After this, and the summary tab reflects a summary of a virtual machine that were assessed to be migrated on a Microsoft virtual machine. And then the second tab, Windows machine, reflects a virtual machine that was assessed for the clouds. Ayan, ito yun yung laman niya. This tab gives detailed information of the Microsoft Server machine that were evaluated to be migrated to a Microsoft Azure virtual machine. The second tab, the Linux machine tab, is breakdown of the Linux machine that were assessed in the infrastructure. In this infrastructure, there were not any Linux virtual machines to assess. Okay, click the button to take a screenshot. Wait, okay, and then the screenshot, and then next page na tayo, which is page 5. What is the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit used for? To assess the infrastructure, to implement for redundant application, to assess the infrastructure for cloud readiness, to assess processing power of the physical machine, to assess the infrastructure for patch updates. This one. Okay, submit. Which type of computer server data can be collected with the inventory wizard using the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit? Wait lang. Wait, text select. True or false? Data of the current infrastructure that was collected using the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit needs to be refreshed after the assessment was run. True. Ilang question ba to? Okay. 7, 8, aray. Ouch. Mhm. Sagutan natin yan guys. Nang walang mali. Para sure na sure na sure. Mhm. Saan na ba tayo? Okay, dito na tayo. Which type of computer server data can be collected with the inventory wizard using the Microsoft Assessment Toolkit? Okay, wait lang ha. Mas maganda yung pag-isipan natin mabuti para hindi tayo mamali. Aray ko. Dito guys, on all Windows computers, good. All of the above. And dito, true. Ah, dito naman, which of following format and distribution for the analysis infrastructure? Dito, Excel ang ginamit natin. So, Excel ang sasagot natin. The Microsoft Azure Readiness Report documents generated Unit na ng charger ko. In Planning Toolkit, what data is captured in summary? The server compared virtual size in Azure Cloud Platform. The server hard drive size. The server resource capacity that was analyzed. An overview of the number of server computers that were analyzed. Okay. Submit report. Are you sure you have completed? Yes. Has been finalized. Will no longer be able to update or change our answer. Here. Save as PDF. Save. Okay. Okay, ito na siya. Screenshot niya. Okay. Balik na tayo sa so yun na, doon na tayo nagtatapos yung ating video ngayon. So, okay na tayo. Done na. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye!